Zielona Góra. A city of 120,000 residents, with many years of tradition in the metallurgical industry. The LUBSTAL steel construction plant, which is a part of the CARBO holding group, has been specializing in the technology of welding-based metal processing for over 15 years. CARBO Holding has been co-financed in the amount of PLN 1,988,800 for the project entitled Development of ZKS LUBSTAL by providing highly specialized equipment. It was possible thanks to the co-financing by the European Union and the state budget under the National Cohesion Strategy. Measure 2.2 – Improvement of competitiveness of small and medium-sized enterprises by investments under the operational program of the Lubuskie region for 2007-2013. A half of the entire project, which has amounted to over PLN 4 million, has been financed by the CARBO holding group on its own. The project has allowed for a significant increase of production capacities of the LUBSTAL plant and has extended its technological potential. It has also allowed offering potential customers new execution and design services which have not been provided so far. The plant is equipped with welding machines type MAG, MIG and TIG. New challenges encountered by the company in the 21st century, such as modern technologies, establishment and modification of a modern customer market, have led to the purchase of an additional production area and its adaptation to new process lines. Assembly of construction components takes place in one of the purchased bays. There are 3 new traveling cranes, which have the load capacity of 8, 12.5 and 20 tons. Another bay has been divided into 2 zones. One of them serves as a plant shop, whereas another one is used for processing components made of acid-resistant steel. In the middle part of the bay, divided into zones, there are employee amenities and auxiliary rooms used in the production process. Within the scope of the project, the zones were provided with ceilings, and the new area has been used for a design office for process engineers and designers, as well as an archive room. Similarly, under the EU project, the design office has been equipped with work tools such as 5 sets of modern computers, 5 licenses for SolidWorks for designing purposes, as well as a high-performance plotter for printing large-sized drawings. In addition, the archive room was developed by adding shelves to keep implemented designs and documentation. In order to comply with rising requirements of customers, specialized machines have been purchased. Such machines include a blasting machine for blast processing with roller transport, type Ratiojet RSR, used for cleaning metal sheets and steel profiles by subjecting them to a stream of steel shots. Its dimensions and capacity will allow for a significant increase in production capacities of the plant. An all-purpose numerically controlled lathe, type CK7176 divided by 2000, is intended for machining operations. It is used for precise and repeatable rolling of steel detail elements. A radial drilling machine model PRC80 for precise drilling of openings, having the diameter ranging from 30 to 80 mm. An all-purpose milling machine model XA7140 UWF200 for precise milling of steel components. A semi-automatic double-column band sewing machine model BMCY750 DGNC for cutting large steel profiles both at the right angle as well as angles ranging from -45 to +60 degrees. The maximum cutting size is 750 mm. A bending machine for metal sheets, allowing for new, so far unavailable in the region, bending services for metal sheets, having various thickness values, even up to 22 mm, and the width up to 3100 mm. A press for flattening and bending, model TL300, which is necessary for flattening welded subunits and structures. It can also be used for flattening profiles, in particular metal sheets, flat bars and pipes. Increased production and the amount of material handled inside the production hall led to the purchase of 2 new gas combustion engine Hyundai forklifts, having the lift capacity of 3.5 and 4 tons. Due to the acquisition of EU funds and the financing under the National Cohesion Strategy, the LUBSTAL steel plant has been capable of increasing its production potential, widening its production range, and, as important from the viewpoint of achieving project objectives, employing 60 new people. Experienced and qualified personnel ensured that performed works are of high quality. The film has been co-financed by the European Union from the European Fund of Regional Development and the state budget under the operational program of the Lubuskie region for 2007-2013.